Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic interrogative pronoun is going to be explained and in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. It can be defined as: interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask questions. The main English interrogative pronouns are what, which, who, whom, and whose. What does it mean? Simply, it means that these words are used to ask questions. Basically, an interrogative pronoun normally appears at the start of a question, but it may instead appear in the middle, depending on the phrasing. Just look at these examples. Who is making the noise? Just look at this example. The word who is an interrogative pronoun, but the question is, how? Basically, you need to remember that this word is used without a noun, so, therefore it is an interrogative pronoun, because it is used to ask question. The next example is: whom have you told about this? Observe this sentence. The word whom is an interrogative pronoun. Basically, this word is used to form this question. So this is interrogative pronoun. What is wealth without friends? Again, look at this example. The word what is used to create a question. So, this word is simply called an interrogative adjective in grammar. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.